people! Welcome to the TTP YouTube channel. Robert Moiran, the Chicago White Sox outfielder, just hit a grand slam with his new house purchase. Weston, Florida has a waterfront mansion with an expansive property that includes 1.5 acres along the waterway of western Broward County. The 25-year-old professional known as Robert recently invested $12.25 million in a mansion. The Cuban-born pro signed a 6-year, $50 million contract with the White Sox in 2020. It includes 2 options that could bring the total haul to as much as $88 million. If you want more celebrity real estate content, TTP member, subscribe to the TTP YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. The 12,323 square foot mansion features a spacious family room and a kitchen with custom cabinets, double islands, and built-in seating. Extravagant amenities include an elevator and Turkish Carrara marble flooring. The home theater is also a great feature, as are the home gym and Savant smart home technology. The grounds are beautiful, boasting flowering plants and shrubs. The outdoor amenities on this premier estate include a heated infinity pool, a fountain with fire bowls, an in-ground spa that fits 12 people, a sports court with a basketball hoop, and a custom trampoline. The entertainment area comes equipped with a fireplace, a flat-screen TV, and a kitchen outside. The luxury home is located in the exclusive Windmill Ranch Estates neighborhood and was custom-built in 2017 after its owners purchased the lot for $1.5 million in 2014. The home was initially listed for $14 million in 2021. It was relisted for the same price after a few weeks at an even lower price for $13 million. This fully furnished home in Weston broke property records. Though the price tag was reduced, it was still the most expensive real estate transaction in that area, selling for $994 per square foot. In Weston, designers, architects, and developers have created a secluded gated community that rivals any in Florida. At Windmill Ranch Estates, surrounded by natural waterways and staggering vistas, even a contemporary ranch-style home with impeccable design can feel like a resort. This alluring estate was designed in one of the most luxurious materials, white marble. A state-of-the-art elevator leads to 3 levels of luxury, designer kitchens, one equipped with an entire laboratory, a stunning fountain at the pool, a commercial-grade theater, bicycle infrastructure galore, you name it. Designed and built by Perry Stoft Architect with Decorators Unlimited on a 1.5-acre lot featuring over 2,000 square feet of family or kitchen living space, 2 outdoor spaces for entertaining complete with outdoor kitchen, fireplaces and fire pits, 3-car garage with lift gates for 8 parking spaces. 2 brokers representing the listing and buyers at 643 Realty Group were Senada Adzem and Sarah Bartman. Robert Moiran is a Cuban professional baseball player. He debuted with the Chicago White Sox in 2020. Robert was selected to the All-Tournament team in the 2015 18U Baseball World Cup. From 2013 to 2015, he played for the Cuban National Series club Ciego de Avila. From June 2016, he occupied a roster spot on the Cuban national team. In November 2016, Robert defected from Cuba to follow his Major League Baseball or MLB career in the United States. In April 2017, he was declared a free agent but was not eligible to sign with any major league club until May 20th. On May 27, 2017, Robert signed a contract with the Chicago White Sox, which included a $26 million signing bonus. He reported to the DSL White Sox and played in 28 games, posting a .310 batting average, 3 home runs, 14 runs batted in, 22 bases on balls, and 12 stolen bases. In 2018, Robert made his first start at outfield and hit a 2-out, go-ahead grand slam in the 8th inning, lifting the White Sox to a 14-12 victory over the Cincinnati Reds. However, he was placed on the injured list for 2 months after the game because he had sprained a ligament in his left thumb while sliding into second base. Robert began 2019 with the Winston-Salem Dash, where he was promoted to the Birmingham Barons in April. Robert was selected to the 2019 All-Star Futures Game, and he made his debut with Class AAA Charlotte on July 11, when he had 7 runs batted in, hitting 2 home runs. In 2019, Robert hit 30 home runs and stole 36 bases, joining the 30-30 club. He scored 108 runs in 2019, the second most in the minor leagues. He also led the minors with 165 hits that year. It was January 2, 2020, when Robert put his name in the major leagues with a 6-year, $50 million contract with the Chicago White Sox. The contract includes team options for 2026 and 2027, which could increase the value of the contract to $88 million. On July 24, he made his MLB debut, and on July 26, he hit his first MLB home run. In the year 2020, Robert batted .298, .356, .660 with a .243 batting average, 20 home runs, and 3 stolen bases. He won his first Rookie of the Month award in Major League Baseball while reaching 202 at-bats. Overall, in 2020, he batted .233, .302, .436 with a 487-foot HR that was second to Kyle Lewis's record home runs over rookie seasons. He also won the Gold Glove Award for center field and finished second in AL Rookie of the Year, voting behind Kyle Lewis. On May 2, baseball player Robert had a complete tear of his right hip flexor and was put on the disabled list. It took 3 to 4 months for him to recover, and he was activated in August 2019. In 68 games, he hit over .338 with 13 homers and 43 RBIs. As a young and promising player, Robert had a phenomenal season. He appeared in 39 games in September before getting hurt. His batting average was low, but his power numbers were high, with 12 home runs and 56 RBIs made to end the season. He only appeared in 98 total games because of an injury on September 24th. Many know him as the LeBron James of baseball in terms of his look-alike facial structure. Lewis has been playing in the MLB for the Chicago White Sox since 2020. Luis Robert was born on August 2, 1997, in Guantanamo, Cuba. His father is Megalina Moiran Centino, and his mother is Luis Robert Robles. Much about their educational background and professional history is still unknown. He stands at 6 feet and 2 inches tall, weighs 84 kilograms, and has not shared any information about his past education or career. Luis Robert is expected to have a net worth of more than $3 million by 2020. He signed a 6-year or $50 million contract with the Chicago White Sox, including $50 million guaranteed and an annual average salary of $8.33 million. In 2020, Luis Gonzalez took home a $1.5 million signing bonus for the White Sox and will then be making $3.5 million in 2021. His salary is expected to increase to $8 million in 2022 and rise by $3 million every year after that. Robert Fatigati's 2 choices come with a flat price of $50 million each. The White Sox holds a buyout option of $2 million on both choices. Luis has been very private about his romantic life and kept it a complete secret. However, following a recent social media post, it seems that Lewis was single in 2021. The player is early in his career and could focus on his career rather than spending time with people. Robert is very close to his family and friends, spending most of his free time with them. Lewis was a standout player in the 18 UBC World Cup and even made it to the all-tournament team. Robert was part of the Cuban National Series from 2013 to 2015 with Ciego de Avia, but he also played for the Cuban national team in 2012 as part of their silver medal team at the 15 UBCWC championship held in Havana, Cuba. In November 2016, the Chicago White Sox spotted Robert and signed him to a contract in May 2017. Up until that point, he had been playing minor league baseball for the Winston-Salem Dash. He played in 2 Major League Baseball games in 2018, and he was awarded a $26 million signing bonus. In 2020, Lewis scored 108 runs, second most in minor league ball, and led the leagues with 165 hits. And in January 2020, he extended his contract until 2026 for $50 million. Lewis had a great season in 2020 and won the Golf Glove Award for center field. After he continued his dominance the following year, he was forced to end his career after injuring his hip flexor. That's it for this video, TTP member. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and if you feel like we've delivered value, please share this video with one person. That's right, just one person, as a token of your appreciation for the hard work we put into making content that educates and helps you on your mission of building your own fortune. Remember, you can watch video after video, but it isn't until you actually take action that you'll start to see results. See you soon.